look good on camera.
A different top, so it looks different in each video.
Yeah.
Shop this on as well.
She's a fucking murder. Take your time, bitch. Take your time. Yeah, nah, yeah, nah, yeah, nah, yeah, nah, yeah, nah, yeah, nah. Here we go. Sam's video. Welcome to the show.
Don't know how I feel about this. Wake the fuck up. Holy shit, that thing! Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with my brother. Introduce yourself, bitch.
Sup? I'm Nathan.
He is 20. He looks about 12. So today I'm going to be doing his makeup.
Sick.
I'm going to keep it natural. I'm actually going to want to like, what? I actually want to try and make this look good, you know, like actually make it look good, not like, yeah. I've done drag makeup on him before and that was pretty funny.
You're gonna make me look like Jake Charles.
Jake Charles.
Jack Charles.
James Charles.
James Charles.
Stay tuned, bitches. I'm gonna be putting foundation on you and everything, but not like heavy, just like nice. Bro, holy shit, I'm gonna kill this chair. In the drawers, I said. Yep. First, I'm gonna clean his face because he knows what's been on there. Don't squint.
Feels funny.
Okay, now that that's done, I'm actually gonna do his foundation now. Oh, I'm so fucking excited. Okay, so today I'm gonna be mixing the Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and I'm gonna also go in with the Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation as well. This one's really dark, this one's really light. Let's not do that. Okay, so I'm just gonna mix a little bit of the two because he's pretty tan and I'm not. Okay, shake that bitch up. Shake it up, shake it up. Fuck it up, fuck it up. Foundation. Yeah, that's alright. We're gonna work with that. Okay.
Starting to look like a pig.
No, you're really pink.
Like a pig.
So look into the camera because I can do it this way. So I'm just gonna put it on first. How does this feel?
It feels weird.
Okay, great. Now this way. Now I'm gonna blend that in with my Morphe 439. Why is it always on your face? Fuck off. There we go. Okay, we're gonna put some concealer on your eyes so that's gonna blend in. Nice. Okay, so now I'm going in with the Born This Way, bitch. Born This Way concealer. Yeah, really, really light, but that's okay. We like a bright sister.
Nice.
Okay, look up. Actually, no, that's not gonna work. I'm just gonna put it on here first. Look up. Oh fuck, this is gonna be hard. Close your eyes. Just go relax. Yeah, relax. Just keep them. No, relax. Don't squint, bitch. Okay, it looks like he's sick now because I couldn't get right under his eye because
sick.
You look like a, we're just gonna put a little bit, no, sit up properly, come on. No, up. Let's look like we want to be here, shall we? Actually, you kind of look cute.
Thanks.
Not gonna lie. No, don't put your head back. So now I'm gonna go in with the Stay Matte Powder by Rimmel. Now I'm going to just set the rest of his face just with this same powder again because it's a little bit more tanned. Now that all of his face is matte, we're going to be going in with some bronzer and some blush. We are going to go in with the Cocoa Contour and we're going to get the warmest shade. Okay. Colour. Okay, that kind of looks good. Just going in with the
Dog white.
Okay, now we're gonna go in with a bit of highlighter, and this is the Too Faced Candlelight Highlighter. Oh my god, you actually kind of look good. Okay, now we're gonna do the eyes. So this bit's easy, just close your eyes and you relax, okay?
Oh, okay.
Oh my god, you actually kind of look so good. I'm so proud.
Ew, that looks kind of weird. Looks funny.
Okay, now, so I have the Jaclyn Hill palette. Wow, it's been used to its teeth, honey. So I'm gonna go in with like a warm peachy orange. Oh fuck, this is gonna be hard. You okay?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Can I open?
Yes. This is hard. I'm at the wrong angle. What an awkward angle.
Alright.
Open. Okay, so we got the bass sound, cute, wow, wow, wow. And then now, we're gonna go in with a smaller brush. And we're just gonna go in with a bit, what color do I wanna do it? Okay, close your eyes. Oh, but I'm gonna kill it. I'm gonna kill this chair. Oh, sorry about that. I'm gonna have to sit on that side because I really need to. Okay, look straight. Oh yeah. Okay, there's a couple of bits here we need to.
Keep fucking up my hair.
Fuck off. Me, sorry. Okay, now this bit's gonna be really hard, but we're gonna do this bit. Okay. Okay, so look up. No. Head stays straight.
Yeah.
Okay, straight.
Oh.
And you're gonna look up to the sky and off that way. That was pretty good, okay? We'll give you a bit of a break.
Okay.
A breather.
Yeah.
Head down a little and look up and that way. That was good, that was good. Oh, look at that, you look kinda hot. Look in the mirror. Oh, this is good. You look good. I'm proud. Okay, now we're gonna do eyebrows.
Jack Charles. Jackie boy.
Okay, we're gonna do your eyebrows now. We're gonna. Oh my god.
How does it stop recording?
I don't know how much that cut out, but we've just done his eyebrows. One of them. Oh my god, okay, that made me angry! So we're gonna spoolie his eyebrow now, just so it looks a bit more, look that way, straight. We're gonna spoolie his eyebrow. Cute, we've got one eyebrow. Next eyebrow. Okay, we kind of I'm actually kind of impressed. So now we're gonna go in with some clear brow gel. Nice, sister! Do you want to go in with red lip? We're not going to do mascara because I know my brother. We're going to do a red lip, shall we? Pencil, and then you outline first. So you got good lips. Oh, you got good lips! I'm excited. Okay, so let's just not talk. You can't smile, please.
Okay.
So just... Now we're gonna go in with a red lip.
Look like a little girl.
Not little. This is the Australis cream ones.
Purpley, pinky looking one.
This one?
Yep.
Okay. Fierce. And it's called Girl Boss Demi Matte Lip Cream by Australis. Yeah, wow. Yeah. Okay, stop. Say eh. Like you're an eh?
Eh?
Yeah. Yeah. Look straight. Oh! Kind of okay. Okay, not the best red lip I've ever done, but it took a long time and I think he's a bit over it. Now do this.
Looks pretty good. Where is it? Oh, there it is.
Now to finish it all off, no, actually that's
not done yet.
We were gonna do a spray. We're gonna do a spray
Okay.
But he might squint his eyes really bad and it might wreck it. So just relax as much as you can.
Okay.
Don't go with your eyes. Just go like you might do one of these ones. Just relax, just relax, just relax, just relax, just relax, just relax, just relax. Yeah! Solid. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. He looks stunned, absolutely stunned. Now the red lip's not that good. I mean, we could have done mascara, but like I'm not gonna torture him that much, so we did the best we could. But I actually don't think it looks that bad. I think he kind of looks solid. Okay, yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. How did you feel? How do you feel about it?
It's pretty good, pretty good. Jake Charles.
James.
Same thing.
Not really. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed and I'll see you next time. Bye guys! Say bye.
Bye.